Driving instructors, time to upgrade. Are you tied down to a big national driving school, paying high franchise fees, stuck with rules that don't work for you, and feeling like just another number? At LDA Oxford, we put instructors first. We're Oxford's largest and busiest driving school, which means more pupils, more work, and more success for you. Unlike the big names, we keep things simple and flexible. No contracts, no red tape, no hidden catches. Just a local Oxford-based team that's here for you. Here's what makes us different. Spare vehicles, always available, so you're never off the road. A fleet of cars with full access and your choice of vehicle. Franchise fees that beat what you're paying now. A supportive WhatsApp group for cover, test swaps and day-to-day help. Senior team support whenever you need it. And best of all, we tailor everything to you. Tell us what you're not getting from your current school and we'll make it happen. LDA Oxford. By instructors, for instructors. It's time to upgrade.